That little brown bottle sitting in your medicine cabinet costs about $1 at most drugstores. And yet the average driver pays a mechanic or a detail shop somewhere between $300 and $500 every single year for problems this $1 bottle could have fixed in 15 minutes in their own garage. Mechanics and auto shops know this. They just do not volunteer it. Because every rusty tool, every corroded battery terminal, every cloudy headlight, and every stained car interior is a service charge they get to collect. We are talking about hydrogen peroxide. And chances are you have either been ignoring it your entire life or using it for the wrong things. One thing on this list, number 4 specifically, has saved drivers over $150 in a single afternoon. Now, just to be clear, we are talking about the regular 3% hydrogen peroxide, the standard brown bottle from any pharmacy or grocery store, not the industrial strength stuff. And here's why it works. Hydrogen peroxide is basically water with an extra oxygen atom attached. The formula is H2O2. When it touches rust, mold, grime, or organic gunk, it releases that extra oxygen atom in a fast reaction that breaks down the gunk at the chemical level. Then it turns back into nothing but water and oxygen. No toxic residue, no harsh fumes, no damage to the metal underneath, just water and air. So let's get into it. Number 1, it removes rust from hand tools and garden tools. If you have a screwdriver, a wrench, a pair of pliers, or a set of garden shears that have gone orange with rust, most mechanics would tell you to just buy new ones. Commercial rust removers cost $10 to $20 a bottle, and they are full of harsh acids that eat into the metal underneath. Fill a glass jar with 3% hydrogen peroxide. Submerge the rusty tool head completely. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. Then scrub with a stiff brush and rinse. The rust lifts off without damaging the metal because the peroxide only reacts with the oxidized iron, not the steel beneath it. This single trick has brought back tools people were ready to throw in the trash. The mechanics and the hardware store will not mention it because they want you spending $40 on a new wrench every time the old one gets rusty. Number 2, clean corroded battery terminals. If your car has trouble starting in cold weather, that crusty white or green buildup on your battery terminals is the reason. Most drivers pay a mechanic $40 to $60 to clean those terminals, or worse, they get sold a new battery they did not actually need. With the engine off and the negative terminal disconnected first, pour a small amount of 3% hydrogen peroxide directly on the corroded terminals. You will see it bubble and fizz as it breaks down the sulfate buildup. Wait 30 seconds. Wipe clean with an old rag. Reconnect the terminals. Your car starts like it did the day you bought it. Same chemistry the dealership service department uses, except you just did it for pennies. Number 3, restore foggy yellow headlights. If your headlights look milky, yellow, or hazy, that is oxidation from sun damage. Auto detail shops charge $80 to $150 for headlight restoration. At the dealer, it can run $200 plus. Make a paste of 3% hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Apply it to a clean cloth. Rub the headlight lens in small circles for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse with clean water and dry with a microfiber towel. The cloudy yellow lifts off. Your headlights actually project light again, which means safer night driving and a car that looks years younger. This is the trick mobile detailers charge $100 for, and you just did it for cents. Number 4, deep clean and disinfect cloth car seats and floor mats. This one really is a lifesaver, and most people have no idea about it. And it is what saves you that $150. If your car has cloth seats or carpet floor mats, they are full of trapped sweat, spilled coffee, food crumbs, pet hair, and the biofilm of bacteria that makes your car smell stale no matter how many air fresheners you hang. A professional interior detail at any auto shop runs $150 to $250, and most of what they do is something you can do yourself in 20 minutes. Mix 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of dish soap and a tablespoon of baking soda in a spray bottle. Lightly spray the seats and floor mats. Let the mixture sit for 15 minutes. You will see it foam slightly as it lifts the stains and organic matter to the surface. Then scrub gently with a soft brush and blot dry with a clean towel. Coffee stains lift out. Pet urine smell disappears. The trapped sweat that has been baking into the fabric for years finally breaks down at the molecular level. Your car interior smells genuinely clean for the first time in years. This single trick has saved drivers $150 on every single interior detail they used to pay for. The auto shop label and the air freshener aisle just convinced you that you needed them. Number 5, sanitize the gym bag smell out of your car. That stale, sweaty smell that lives in your car, especially after summer or after carrying gym clothes, that is not the upholstery. That is bacteria that is settled into the carpet fibers and the headliner above your head. Mix half a cup of 3% peroxide with 2 cups of water. Lightly mist the carpet, the headliner, and the seat fabric. Roll your windows down. Let the car air dry for 2 hours. The peroxide kills the bacteria, releasing the smell at the source. Look, I am not going to oversell this stuff. It is not a miracle that will erase 10 years of neglect in one shot, but plenty of drivers swear by it as the cheapest, most effective way to get a car smelling fresh again without those overpriced ozone treatments that auto shops sell for $100. Number 6, clean grease and grime off engine bay components. If you have ever popped your hood and seen the layer of dust, grease, and road grime coating your engine bay, you already know commercial engine degreasers run $12 to $20 per can, and they leave a slick residue behind. With the engine cool and turned off, mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 1 part water in a spray bottle. Spray it on plastic engine covers, valve covers, and any non-electrical components. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Wipe with a clean cloth. The grease lifts off. The plastic looks new, and unlike commercial degreasers, the peroxide does not leave a slippery film that attracts more dust the next week. Number 7, defrost car windows fast in winter. Commercial windshield defrosting sprays cost $6 to $8 a bottle, and most of them are basically water with a little alcohol. You can do the same job for almost nothing. Mix 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water in a spray bottle. Keep it in your car during winter. When you get into a frozen car, spray it directly on the icy windshield. The ice melts within seconds because the peroxide lowers the freezing point of the water it touches. Same chemistry the dealership uses to prepare their lot cars on cold mornings. You just stopped paying for it. Number 8, remove blood and protein stains from car upholstery. If you have ever had a kid with a nosebleed in the back seat or a pet that got car sick, you know those stains do not come out with regular cleaner. They set into the fabric within minutes. Pour 3% peroxide directly on the stain. Watch it bubble. That fizz is the peroxide breaking down the iron in the hemoglobin and the protein in the organic matter. Wait 2 minutes. Blot with a clean cloth. Repeat if needed. This works on car seats, carpet, headliners, anything fabric. Same chemistry hospitals use to clean blood off their linens, except your car is now spotless for the cost of a few drops. Number 9, clean and disinfect cup holders and console crevices. The cup holders in your car are some of the dirtiest places you touch every day. Spilled coffee, dropped change, sticky candy residue, and the bacteria that comes with all of it. Dip a cotton swab in 3% peroxide. Run it around the inside of every cup holder, every console crevice, every air vent slat. The peroxide kills the bacteria and dissolves the sticky residue without damaging the plastic. 2 minutes of work, and the parts of your car you touch the most are actually clean for the first time in years. Number 10, remove water spots from chrome and glass. Hard water spots on chrome bumpers, side mirrors, and exterior glass make even a freshly washed car look dirty. Commercial water spot removers cost $12 to $18 per bottle. Spray 3% hydrogen peroxide directly on the water spots. Let it sit for 1 minute. Wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. The minerals dissolve. The chrome shines. The glass looks crystal clear again. Auto detailers charge $30 to do exactly this, with a product that costs them less than $1. Number 11. Brighten yellowed plastic trim. The black plastic trim around your headlights, door handles, mirrors, and bumpers fades to a chalky gray or yellow over time from UV damage. Most drivers just live with it. Trim restoration products cost $15 to $25 a bottle. Soak a clean rag in 3% hydrogen peroxide. Wipe down the faded trim. Let it dry. The peroxide oxidizes the UV damage off the surface and restores the original black color. Your car looks years younger, and you used a bottle that cost about $1. Now, a quick word of caution. Always use 3% hydrogen peroxide for these applications. That is the standard brown bottle sold at any pharmacy or drugstore. Stronger food-grade peroxide is industrial strength and can burn your skin. Never mix hydrogen peroxide with vinegar in the same container. The combination creates a harsh acid that irritates skin and lungs. Never mix hydrogen peroxide with bleach. The reaction releases oxygen gas rapidly and can splash. When working under your car hood, always make sure the engine is cool and turned off. And keep peroxide away from any electrical connections or battery acid. Always store the bottle in a cool, dark place. Heat and light break it down. If your bottle does not fizz when poured, it has gone flat. Replace it. For major mechanical repairs, electrical problems, or anything safety related on your vehicle, please call a licensed mechanic. The tricks on this list are for the routine maintenance and cleaning that auto shops quietly mark up to $200 or more. That little brown bottle sitting in your medicine cabinet is capable of so much more than the mechanics, the detail shops, and the auto care aisle would ever volunteer. This channel is all about sharing useful common sense tips that help you stop wasting things and stretch your money further. We post many more ideas like this. So if you find these videos helpful, subscribe and stay up to date. Your wallet will thank you.